been 21 years since Mariah Carey's biggest international hit song, All I Want for Christmas Is You, first hit the airwaves, and fans aren't even close to being over it. Oh, did you think it was that one song from Glitter? Hi guys, it's Angelique Hockaday with Buzz60. Doubleday Books, a division of Random House, is set to publish All I Want for Christmas Is You, the book, based off of Carey's hit song from the album Merry Christmas. The picture book, whose cover looks a lot like a young Mariah with her long golden brown hair, will feature the song's complete lyrics and is the story of a little girl who really wants a new puppy for Christmas. When I wrote All I Want for Christmas Is You, it was my dream for it to become a classic Christmas song, Carey said in a statement. I am thrilled to be able to bring the story of the song to new generations of families with the picture book. Carey isn't shy about her love for dogs, often Instagramming pictures of herself with one of her many Jack Russell Terriers. And dogs do make cameos in the song's original music video, which was made to look like a series of holiday home footage of Carey frolicking in the snow. All I Want for Christmas Is You hits stores November 10th, puppy not included. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.